The welded steel frame construction towable excavator gives you the strength and durability to undertake any project. Adjustable support legs help stabilize the excavator for optimum performance on any terrain. This excavator comes equipped with a self-contained power unit. 301cc 9 horsepower OHV gas engine is directly coupled to a hydraulic gear pump, capable of producing up to 2,275 psi of power, and is controlled by a 4-lever directional control valve. The directional control valve has 4 levers. The first lever controls the side-to-side arm movement, while the second lever controls the up and down motion of the upper boom. The third lever controls the up and down motion of the lower boom, while the fourth lever controls the motion of the bucket. With a little practice, you'll be operating multiple levers to produce boom and bucket movements like a pro, while also being able to perform knuckling movements to help reposition your excavator around your work area. With its simple controls, sturdy construction, and overall versatility, this excavator is ready to undertake any project.